love adventures.
Me too.
Today is a good day.
Let's spend it together.
Wow, look at this. What is it?
Show us.
It looks interesting.
This is Brazil. It looks amazing.
Beautiful country.
Very colorful.
I want to visit Brazil.
Really?
That is a nice dream.
Dreams are important.
Can we go someday?
Maybe we can.
We will try.
I want to come too.
Let's learn about Brazil.
Good idea.
I'm excited. Me too. Look at the beach. Wow.
The water is blue.
Oh, wow. So beautiful. The food looks good.
I want to try it.
Me too.
Everything looks delicious. I can see Brazil. In your dream? Yes.
Keep dreaming.
Never stop. Good night, Sophia.
Good night, Mom.
Sweet dreams.
See you tomorrow. Brazil is beautiful. Look at the colors.
What an adventure.
Enjoy the dream.
Good morning. I slept well.
Ready for today?
Let's have breakfast.
I have an idea.
What is it? Tell us. We are listening.
Let's plan a trip.
To Brazil?
Yes.
Yay! Thank you.
You are welcome.
We will prepare.
Adventure begins.
We need a plan.
Let's make a list.
I can help. Me too. Passport.
Good.
Clothes.
Toys. Passport.
Good.
Clothes.
Toys.
Everyone has a job.
Let's work together.
I will learn about Brazil. I will pack toys. My dream is coming true. Brazil, here we come.
The adventure starts now.
Together as a family. The trip is getting closer. I am excited.
Me too.
It will be wonderful.
The trip is getting closer. I am excited.
Me too.
It will be wonderful.
Only a few weeks left. That is soon.
Time is moving fast.
We must prepare.
Wow!
Family meeting.
Let's sit together.
I am ready. Me too.
We need a plan. Let's check everything.
I can help. I can help too. Brazil is amazing.
Tell us more.
We are listening.
I like learning. This is Rio. Beautiful city.
Very famous.
I want to visit.
Look at the parrots. So colorful.
Amazing birds.
Very beautiful.
Brazil loves football.
That is true.
I want to watch.
It will be fun.
Yay!
Listen to the music.
It sounds happy. I like it.
I like it. Very energetic.
Let's pack clothes.
I will help.
Great job.
I have toys. I can sit inside. That is funny.
Nice try.
Smile for a picture.
Say cheese.
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 Did I say it right?
Almost.
Try again.
You can do it. Hola. Hola.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola. We are improving.
Yes, we are.
Keep practicing.
I will.
I have good news.
Really? Tell us.
We are ready.
I have good news.
Really? Tell us.
We are ready.
The tickets arrived.
Wow! Wow! Yay!
That is exciting.
Yay! We are going!
Brazil!
Adventure awaits. Let's celebrate.
Yay! We are going! Brazil!
Adventure awaits.
Let's celebrate.
I cannot wait.
Soon.
Very soon.
I am ready. My dream is real. Brazil is waiting.
The journey is near.
Our adventure begins soon.
My dream is real. Brazil is waiting.
The journey is near.
Our adventure begins soon.
Today is the day. We are going to Brazil.
Everyone ready?
Let's begin our adventure.
I cannot wait. Me neither.
Time to get ready.
This is exciting.
I cannot wait. Me neither.
This is exciting.
Time to get ready.
Yay! I cannot wait. Me neither.
This is exciting.
Time to get ready.
I cannot wait. Me neither.
This is exciting.
Time to get ready. Check your bags.
Everything looks good.
My journal is ready. My toys are ready. Goodbye, house. See you soon.
Let's go.
Adventure awaits.
Look outside. Everything looks beautiful.
We are on our way.
Enjoy the ride.
Look outside. Everything looks beautiful.
We are on our way.
Enjoy the ride.
Wow, it's huge. So many people.
Welcome to the airport.
Stay close.
This place is busy. I love it.
Let's check in.
Follow me.
Look at that plane. It's enormous.
That is our flight.
Amazing.
Everything is fine.
Keep moving.
We are almost there. I'm excited. I can see airplanes. Me too.
Soon we will fly.
Just a little longer.
It is time.
Let's board.
Yay! Let's go. I got the window seat. Lucky.
Everyone, sit down.
Fasten your seatbelts.
We are moving so fast.
Here we go. Enjoy the flight.
Look at the clouds. They look soft.
Beautiful view.
Wonderful.
Let's play a game.
Good idea.
Who wants snacks?
I do. We are getting closer. I can feel it.
Almost there.
Soon.
Did you hear that?
We are arriving. Brazil.
Get ready.
Wow. I can see Brazil. Wow.
Look at the ocean.
Beautiful.
We made it. Finally.
Welcome.
What a journey.
Welcome to Brazil.
Our adventure begins.
This is amazing. My dream came true.
Here we are in Brazil.
Let the adventure begin.
Good morning, Brazil. Today will be fun.
Let's explore.
A new adventure begins. Eat well.
Big day ahead.
I am excited. Me too. Look at the ocean. Wow.
Beautiful.
What a view.
Let's go. Race you.
Be careful.
Have fun. Be careful.
Have fun. Let's go. Race you. My castle is big. Mine is bigger.
Great work.
Very creative.
Look at this shell. I found one too.
Nice collection.
Beautiful colors.
Let's explore the city.
Stay together.
Everything is colorful. I love it. I hear music. It sounds happy.
Listen carefully.
Wonderful. Look at the colors.
Amazing.
Very lively.
Beautiful art.
Welcome to the rainforest.
It's huge. I hear birds.
Nature is amazing.
Look at the parrots, so colorful.
Beautiful birds.
Incredible.
Look up there.
How cute.
I see a monkey. Me too.
Let's explore.
Many interesting things.
So colorful. I love this place. This looks nice.
Good choice.
I want a notebook. I want a toy.
Let's try this food.
It smells good.
Delicious.
Very tasty.
I like the drums. Me too.
Great rhythm.
Fantastic.
Smile. Say cheese.
Cheese. The sky is beautiful. Look at the colors.
Perfect ending.
Wonderful evening.
I will never forget Brazil. Best trip ever.
What a journey.
A special memory.
This is our favorite beach. The water is always so warm. We love exploring Brazil together. Our trip is ending. I will miss Brazil.
We made great memories.
We will remember them forever.
Our trip is ending. I will miss Brazil.
We made great memories.
We will remember them forever.
Goodbye, Brazil.
Thank you.
What a wonderful country.
We had a great time.
We are home.
Welcome back.
Home sweet home. It feels nice.
Let's unpack.
One bag at a time.
I found my toy. I found my journal.
Look at these photos.
They are beautiful.
That was fun. I remember this day. Hello, friends. She will tell our story.
Listen carefully.
It was an amazing trip.
First, I had a dream. A big dream.
She loved Brazil.
We supported her.
Then, we prepared. We packed our bags.
We made a plan.
Everyone helped.
Then we left home. We went to the airport.
Everyone was excited.
It was a big day.
The airplane was huge. The clouds were beautiful.
The journey was long.
But very exciting.
Brazil was amazing. Everything was colorful.
People were friendly.
The weather was warm.
I loved the beach. And the sandcastles.
The ocean was beautiful.
A perfect day.
And colorful birds.
Nature was wonderful.
I saw monkeys. The rainforest was magical. I saw monkeys.
And colorful birds.
Nature was wonderful. The market was colorful.
I bought a toy.
We found souvenirs.
We met nice people. I loved the music. The drums were loud.
Everyone was dancing.
It was beautiful.
I learned many things. Me too.
Travel teaches us.
Every trip is special.
The beach was my favorite. I liked the rainforest.
I loved everything.
So did I.
Thank you, Brazil. Thank you.
Wonderful memories.
Wonderful people.
Dream big.
Work hard.
Travel together.
Enjoy every moment.
This was our Brazil adventure. It was amazing.
Thank you for watching.
See you again.